Well, hello there. KZ Guy 2 No Nonsense Know-How again here. Got a quick Kubota tip for you. I'm going to show you how to take your old chicken feed bag like this and make a nice seat cover. I'm getting ready to replace this one. This has been on here for 2 years now, about 300 hours. You can see it just starting to rip through, but this is proof that these things really hold up great. If you got a Kubota tractor like this, B7500, it literally just slips right over the top, and then you got to make one slice in it here where it gets, you know, over these seat brackets, but it slips right on there. Let me show you. Now to get the old one off, no problem. Easy peasy. So you can see my original one started getting dry rotted, and then once rain gets in there, you know, your butt gets wet and the foam starts rotting away and gets real indentated. You know, I took some silicone, right stuff, and I made repairs over time, but realized this thing needs a cover. So instead of replacing it and spending $100 on a new one, you just use a chicken feed bag. And just like that, I'm good for another couple years. I guess I could have opened this on the bottom, so, you know, the chicken would be facing the other way, but whatever. And here's a look at my ladies over here. What's up, ladies? How you doing? And I got a Polish hen up in here, too. Hey, she goes separate at night. They hang all day, and then she goes in here by herself at night. And then, yeah, probably grab the eggs, too, while I'm out here. Boom. Alrighty. Oh, yeah. Nice load of eggs. That's what I'm talking about. So you might think this is a silly video, but I just put this on there, you know, for ideas for you guys if you have a ripped up seat. It takes 2 seconds to do, of course, if you have chickens, but you know, there's other bags that would fit this. This is just your standard 50-pound feed bag or seed bag or whatever. You know, they're all the same, really. So as usual, give the video a thumbs up if you found it interesting or helpful. If not, I'll see you next time at another video. And yeah. So this is KZ Guy 2, No Nonsense Know-How. You enjoy the rest of your evening. I'll see ya.